No.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So there are foldables are becoming so big mainstream for like phones area, and people are like into these foldables, and now foldables are becoming the best phones you can buy right now. So I introduce you to the best affordable foldable phone. This is the Tecno Phantom V Fold, and the best you can just buy right now. So when you name the best foldables right now, there are like the best is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung is like pushing the limits into the foldables right now, and they are bringing more features. But this Phantom is the best right now because when we're checking, the Samsung is more damn expensive than this. Like the Phantom is just like, what do you say, $1,100. That's it. But when we are checking, the Samsung is more higher than it, the $1,400 for the minimum. When we're checking, this Samsung Fold is very flagship, but they provide less equipments. What I mean is that this Phantom V Fold is providing 45 watts of charger, and it has a cover which has a kickstand. Okay, let's just go one by one. First thing is the design. The inner 7.85-inch display has a 2K plus OLED, and the outer has 6.42-inch, which has a FHD plus display. Both of the displays are having 10 to 120 Hz refresh rate, and it is not having virtually no crease in the tablet-sized inner screen. When we're checking in the Samsung, it is having a big crease. Outer screen is easily usable thanks to the 21:9 aspect ratio. An aluminum frame that wraps around the whole design, complete with a plastic hinge that fits right into this design. Next is the camera. The camera has a main part in this. Like if you're checking the normal phones and all, just has the front and the rear cameras. But this and like old foldables has like three side cameras. One in the, what do you say, just like when you fold it out, this is like one side you have the main camera, other side you have the selfie camera, which might be useful. But you can even actually take the camera like selfies with the main camera. Talking about the camera, I just went out. The circular camera array on the back is dominated by the 50 megapixel my primary camera, flanked by a 50 megapixel telephoto portrait camera that offers a 2x optical zoom. Both of them support autofocus, but none of them come with OIS, optical image stabilization, which is a main. But if it is a foldable, just give an excuse. But last but not least, there is a 13 megapixel ultra wide. This like a Phantom V Fold needs one more thing, the best, and which is like the battery life. When we are checking, where people are buying these foldables because of one reason. Not only one reason, like many reasons are there, but still the reason is that battery life. This thing has, comparing to other casual phones and all, just has the best battery life. So when we're checking, this flagship Phantom V Fold offers 5000 mAh battery life. The chipset is MediaTek 9000 plus. In everyday life, there is a barely difference between MediaTek and Snapdragon anymore. The V Fold needs an extra second or two then when switching between displays, but this is just a matter of optimization rather than a limitation of the processor itself, especially since the phone uses its camera to determine if it should turn on the outer screen when you fold it or not. So I had told about so much, like okay, about the features and all, but what is the conclusion? Would you have to buy this Phantom V Fold, which is not that damn expensive? But so in conclusion, I want to say that if you are spending $1,500 for a phone which is like has a unique features and like okay, just foldable, you just want to buy a foldable, people will actually say Samsung, just go for Samsung. But I had changed my mind. Maybe I also say that go for Samsung. Samsung is the best one. But I'm also in coming saying and people is that buy the Tecno Phantom V Fold. Even though it's made on India, what is the problem? Like the Phantom V Fold may not offer the premium features like the Samsung, but when we're checking the price, we are okay, satisfied with that. The Samsung, they are like, even you're going to buy a cover, it is going to cost more than that, and also the charger also. But within $1,100, you're just getting a cover, a stand, and even a charger in the box. So my conclusion is that if you're into foldables, if you're just taking the price, the Phantom V Fold is for you. And if you're like, no, Phantom is not my choice, you can wait, because the OnePlus, then the Google, etc., are like planning for the foldables. And a lot of rumors says that iPhone is going for foldables also. So by saying that, my name is Saharsh, you can call me SS, and I'll catch you in the next video.